fondness now prepares for Beck a new supply of cares, sent in a bag to Dr. Swift, who thus displays the New Year's gift. First, this large parcel brings you tidings of our good deeds, eternal chidings of Nelly's partners, Robin's leasings, and Sheridan's perpetual teasings. This box is crammed on every side with Stella's magisterial pride. Behold a cage with sparrows fill, first to be fondled, then be killed. Now to this hamper I invite you, with 6 imagined cares to fright you. Here in this bundle Janice sends concerns by thousands for your friends. And here's a pair of leathern pokes to hold your cares for other folks. Here from this barrel you may broach a peck of troubles for a coach. This ball of wax your ears will darken, still to be curious, never hearken, lest you the town may have less trouble in. Bring all your Quilca's cares to Dublin, for which he sends this empty sack, and so take all upon your back.